It's great to see you all back again for another video learning session and stock analysis brought to you by Penny Stock Analysis and pennystockanalysis.com. Our stock analysis session for today will be focused on Fortune Oil and Gas Incorporated. They trade on the pink sheets under the symbol FOGC, and their corporate website is www.fortuneoilandgascorp.com, and that would be an excellent site to go to right away, especially given a whole bunch of news releases that have come out recently, and it's nothing but good news. They've just acquired another company, and they are expecting another $7 million possibly in revenue, according to some great new reports that they received from their land surveys. So again, don't take my word for it, take FOGC's word for it, and go check out their press releases at fortuneoilandgascorp.com. Our first point of attack to analyze FOGC in this session is to look at the price chart, as we always do, located on the top half of the screen, and the relative strength index, which of course is located underneath the price chart. And what I'd like to bring your attention to are the yellow lines on the price chart. What is happening here is that FOGC is continually setting higher low points, which are highlighted by the yellow lines, and they are setting higher high points. So this is clearly an upward trend and very bullish signal. As we move to the relative strength index on the bottom, we also notice that the relative strength index is echoing what the price is doing, which means that the bulls are in fact in control, and the stock does have a lot of strength and momentum behind it. Moving on to our MACD chart, if you have followed our Investing 101 sessions in the past, you will know what the MACD is used for. But in any case, the important thing to point out in this chart is that the MACD, which is the blue line, has crossed above the red signal line, which is a very bullish signal. It's very positive, and it means that the price of FOGC has in fact moved above its average trading over the last 9 periods. So it's a great short-term trend. We can see again that the price is setting higher lows and higher highs, which always bodes well for the stock, and it's supported by very strong fundamental company and developments. So again, very positive, and there's no surprise here. Good MACD chart, upward trends, and we expect it to keep moving upward. Our final chart in this three-pronged analysis attack that we've taken here in this session on FOGC on the pink sheets is the on-balance volume chart. As we've reiterated in the past two charts, FOGC continues to set higher lows and higher highs, and has a strong MACD, very good relative strength index, which is clearly a support. There's no divergence there, and everything seems to confirm the upward trend, and the on-balance volume is no different. Despite the ups and downs that the stock price has taken over the last 2 months or so, the on-balance volume continues to rise, and the bulls are clearly taking long positions in the stock, and they clearly should, especially given it's in the minerals and resources industry, which of course has experienced great price increases and a great revenue stream recently, and we expect that to not change in the future. We expect resources to remain in high demand, and there's no surprise here. The volume confirms it, and again we expect continued upward trend from FOGC. And that concludes our analysis of Fortune Oil and Gas Incorporated, FOGC, on the pink sheets. It's in the minerals and resource sector, which is very hot, and we continue to expect great increases in demand for resources in the near future, and as such we expect the revenue for FOGC to grow accordingly and sharply, and that's great news for the company and investors. And with that, we say goodbye from Penny Stock Analysis and PennyStockAnalysis.com. And remember, invest wisely.